today I'm gonna shoot a video about how to bake a lemon cheesecake. So let's get started. What's up, guys? So the first thing we're gonna make is the crust of the lemon cheesecake. So the first thing we're gonna do is pour our all-purpose flour into a big bowl. And then the next thing we're gonna add in our flour is the brown sugar and our fine sugar. And don't forget our egg yolk. Let me show you my egg yolk. Ping ping. And make sure your egg white is all removed before you add your egg yolk. To remove it, please be very careful. If not, Then is our unsalted butter. And the next thing we're gonna do is make sure that our hands are clean, because we're going to knead all these ingredients using our hand. Let me show you how it works. This step will be a little bit difficult when you start to knead it at first. But don't give up, guys. It's getting easier, trust me. And due to my very slow progression, I'm going to speed up this step.
A few moments later.
Eventually, guys, I made it. Let me show you how it looks like at the end. So it looks like this. It's not sticky at all and a little bit shiny. And the next step we're gonna do is try to make it as round as possible, because later we're gonna roll it into a round shape to be the base of our cheesecake. So now we're going to roll it, and before you roll it, here's a small tip for you all. You can spread some flour on your table like what I'm doing now to prevent your dough stick on your table. And then put your dough onto your table and take out your rolling pin and start to roll it.
A few moments later.
So after that, you can prepare a metal plate for us to put in our mold later. You can spread some butter or oil on it and stick a baking paper on it like what I've done. And then take the crust just now and put it nicely onto the plate. Just like this. And next step, put what we have done just now into the mold. You can try to use some tools to make it more flat so the outcome will be more nicely. For me, I'm using this silicone spatula to make it more flat, like this. Then our crust has been done! So now guys, we are going to make our lemon cheesecake. First, pour all the ingredients for the cheesecake that I have mentioned at the beginning of my video into the big bowl. And you can add some lemon zest into it according to your personal favorite to make your cheesecake smells better. And don't forget to add some vanilla extract into it. The amount of vanilla extract is according to your personal favorite. You can just ignore this step if you don't like it. And after all the ingredients are ready in the bowl, you can use an egg beater like me and start to stir it to make it mix evenly. When you feel that your cake mixture is stirred evenly, you can start to add your fine sugar into it and continue stirring. And then we're gonna add our eggs into it. And please take note guys, please don't pour all your eggs into it in one time. Separate it into different times so the mixture can be mixed evenly. And don't forget our most important ingredients, which is lemon juice. I almost forget it. And then we put our cream cheese into another bowl. For this step, you can either choose a stirring machine or a spatula or egg beater to stir it by hand to make the cream cheese more smoother. And then pour the cake mixture just now into our cream cheese and then stir it to mix it evenly using a spatula. And don't forget to add our cornstarch into it. So for the following step, we're going to stir it non-stop. Guys, I know the stirring progress is very boring and exhausting, but don't give up. When you stir until the texture looks like this, then it's done. So next, pour your mixture into the mold. And before we send it into our oven, you can shake it like this. This is because if there's too many airs in our cake when it's done baking, the surface will be not nicely. There is many holes on the surface of our cake. So this shaking action can help us to reduce the hole on the surface of our cake. So the last step is send it into our oven. The precaution of baking the cake will be shown in the next scene.
$2,000 later.
And finally guys, this is my lemon cheesecake. It looks really pretty and tastes so good. If you are a cheesecake lover, you must try this. So this is my video today, and I hope you guys enjoy my video, and see you next time. Bye.